friends, we're delighted to welcome you to the closing ceremony of the 5th Yakutia International Science Fair International School Conference Competition.
Of the 145 participants, 37 students attended in person and 108 participated online, representing 9 countries: Russia, India, Indonesia, Iran, Italy, Pakistan, El Salvador, Turkey, and South Africa. Experts judged 83 projects. Dear guests, please welcome Alevtina Argunova, the first Deputy Minister of Education and Science of the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia.
Уважаемые участники, гости, преподаватели, дорогие друзья, мы уже завершаем наше замечательное путешествие в мир науки, дружбы и открытия Yakutia International Science Fair. За эти дни мы увидели прекрасные проекты, полные смелых идей, новаторских решений. И вы, наши юные участники, исследователи, продемонстрировали свой талант, пытливый ум, неугасимую жажду знаний. Мы гордимся каждым из вас. Вы не просто участвовали в этом конкурсе, вы вдохновляли друг друга, делились знаниями, укрепляли международное сотрудничество. Очень рада, что у нас участники ежегодно показывают очень блестящие знания на английском языке. Олимпиада — это не только соревнование, но и возможность завести новых друзей, познакомиться с другими культурами, расширить свой кругозор. И я уверена, что у каждого из вас остались яркие впечатления от этих дней. Новые знания, крепкие дружеские связи. Давайте мы все вместе поаплодируем участникам Yakutia International Science Fair. Ваша увлеченность будущее. Спасибо, я хочу выразить слова благодарности нашим экспертам, нашим дорогим партнерам, которые принимали участие в поддержке этого нашего социально-образовательного проекта. И вот наша совместная деятельность обогатила это мероприятие и позволила обменяться новыми идеями, культурами и точками зрения. Спасибо нашим организаторам, которые приложили максимум усилий. Я думаю, что каждый участник был доволен теми моментами, которые были, с которыми вы встретились как участники очных мероприятий. У нас также были и заочные выступления, и заочные защиты, поэтому я думаю, что вся эта работа, она налагает очень большую ответственность на наших организаторов. Во-первых, это руководство нашей Малой Академии наук, ректор Василий Климович и его большая команда. Еще раз всем добрых пожеланий, до новых встреч на Yakutia International Science Fair.
Dear participants, I congratulate you with the finish of the Yakutia International Science Fair on behalf of Ministry of Education and Science of Sakha Republic. I hope that you had several very nice days. You have a very nice experience in participating in an international event, and also I want to tell our distinguished experts that their work is very important, and their signs, their marks, which they decided to our participants are very important. And also I want to tell to Dr. Pavlov and his team of Sakha Science Academy that this work of organizing Yakutia International Science Fair will be continued in the future, and I hope that we will meet again in next years to see you all here, and I wish you good luck, good health, and next year we will meet each other in this very gracious event.
We deeply value the intellectual guidance of scientists and sincerely want to thank them for their dedication to science and support of young researchers. Year after year, the conference is supported by Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University, the institutions of Yakutisk Science Center of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences, partners of the Milset East International Program, and other organizations. On behalf of the organizers of Yakutia International Science Fair, we express our gratitude to our experts for their professionalism and significant contribution to the conference and present certificates to Dr. Tatiana Popova, Doctor of Sciences in Physics and Mathematics, Professor Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Dr. Denis Spiridonov, Candidate of Sciences in Physics and Mathematics, Senior Researcher, Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Dr. Natalia Vasilieva, Candidate of Sciences in Physics and Mathematics, Associate Professor, Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Stepan Melnik, Teacher of Mathematics at St. Basil the Great Orthodox Gymnasium.
Dr. Ivan Kristoforov, Candidate of Sciences in Engineering, PhD, Lead Researcher, Melnikov Permafrost Institute, Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences.
Alexander Narizhny, Junior Researcher, Oblakov Institute of Atmospheric Physics, Russian Academy of Sciences International Research School Tutor.
Dr. Artur Fyodorov, Candidate of Sciences in Engineering, Associate Professor, Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Kirill Kungurun, Junior Researcher, Lomonosov Moscow State University, Science All-Class National Festival Jury Member.
Dr. Milana Petrova, Candidate of Sciences in Medicine, Associate Professor, Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Yano Goldobin, Creator of the Ecopatrol Project, Director of Biology and Ecology, International Research School Tutor, Organizer of Visiting Schools.
Ivan Smirnov, Principal, Teacher of Biology, Orthodox Gymnasium of St. Basil the Great, Moscow Oblast, Expert of the Coordination Council for Youth Affairs in Science and Education of the Council under the President of the Russian Federation for Science and Education, winner of the 2017 Teacher of the Year National Competition, head of the Eco Patrol Project.
Dr. Anna Mikhailova, Candidate of Sciences in Economics, Department Chair, Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Daria Nikitina, English Lecturer for International Relations, Institute of Management and Regional Development of the Russian Presidential Academy of National Economy and Public Administration, International Research School Tutor.
Dr. Marina Ileeva Kosmodbaikova, Candidate of Sciences in Philology, Associate Professor, Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
And Dr. Irina Borisova, Candidate of Sciences in Pedagogy, Associate Professor, Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Dear friends, please welcome Angelina Matveyeva. She will play the Hummus, Jew's Harp.
For the past 30 years, the Trust Fund for Future Generations in the Republic of Sakha Yakutia has been working for the prosperity of our republic and the development and support of young talents. Now, please welcome General Director of the Trust Fund for Future Generations in the Republic of Sakha Yakutia, Dr. Vladimir Yegorov, to greet the participants and guests of the 5th Yakutia International Science Fair.
Добрый день, меня слышно?
Да, слышно.
Отлично.
Привет.
Dear participants, experts, guests and organizers, today we are summing up the results of our wonderful event. Over these few days, many bright and interesting reports were given, which demonstrated the great potential of the young generation of future scientists. We are very glad that we managed to organize such a significant meeting, which united school children from different countries of the world. Congratulations to all the winners on becoming the best today. At the same time, I am sure that today everyone is a winner, and this conference will become a starting point for many new scientific discoveries and cooperation of young researchers. We wish you success in your further studies and scientific research. May your passion for learning about the world and the desire to make discoveries never fade. Thank you.
On Vkontakte social network, 3,034 people voted for the best project. We would like to announce the winners of the People's Choice Award competition.
The winners of the People's Choice Award competition are Maxim Grigoriev, Ivan Popov, Artemy Dyakovsky, Specialized Educational and Scientific Center, Amosov Northeastern Federal University, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Information Technologies category. They received 116 votes.
Yakutia Fyodorova, Yakutisk City National Gymnasium, Social Sciences and Humanities. She got 139 votes.
Daria Karionova, Specialized Educational and Scientific Center, Ural Federal University, Physics, Astronomy and Engineering category. She received 292 votes. And now it's time to announce the absolute winner of the People's Choice Award. The title goes to David Zorin, Suntar Polytechnic Boarding School, Life Sciences, Environmental Sciences and Chemistry category. David received 443 votes. Congratulations to the winners of the People's Choice Award for the best project. We invite the winners to the stage.
Dear friends, let us begin the award ceremony of the 5th Yakutia International Science Fair.
Now, please welcome Chairperson Dr. Tatiana Popova to announce the winners of the Mathematics, Computer Science and Information Technology category.
Dear participants, experts, guests and organizers, I'm very glad to see you, to meet you on the closing ceremony of Yakutia International Science Fair. It's a very good day, it's a very good organizing event. And I am honored to participate as a head of expert committee in the category of mathematics and computer science. And in our section there were 38 participants and 18 projects. Of these, 8 projects were presented offline in person, and 10 projects were presented online. The committee, the expert committee, notes a very high level of projects. All the projects, we consider all the extracts or all the presentation, oral presentation, and the posters of projects. And then expert committee notes that all the projects were at a very high level, and the level continues to grow from year to year, and it's very good. And all the projects shows us very important problems of science and technology, and the considered problems were very complex and difficult to solve it, and we consider very useful results obtained with participants. And now let's begin awarding ceremony.
We announce the winners of the first category, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Information Technology.
Best poster nomination diploma goes to Nikolai Sabakin, Russia, Home Digital Laboratory for Monitoring Health using Arduino project.
Third degree diploma is awarded to Aman Mardovskoy, Russia, named IT Explorer website for automatic excursion.
Russia, developing a website to simplify paperwork and expense management project.
Maxim Grigoriev, Ivan Popov, Artemy Dechkovsky, Russia, School Sphere and Educational Platform Project.
Russia, using VR technology in creation of our national games project. Second degree diploma goes to Brian Hedilbido Padiba Tobar, Sebastian Emilio Santos Alfaro, Cesar Alejandro Pagas Martinez El Salvador, Victor Camden Lego Robots EV3 project.
Nikolai Sabakin, Russia, Home Digital Laboratory for Monitoring Health using Arduino project.
Leonid Petrov, Russia, thermal monitoring of buildings using UA thermal imaging surveillance project.
First degree diploma is awarded to Dmitry Gureyev, Russia, Intelligent System of Personal Data Protection for using Contacted Social Network based on Neural Network project. Congratulations to the winners of the Mathematics, Computer Science, and Information Technology category.
To announce that... Можете все выйти победители, пожалуйста, для общей фото? results of the physics, astronomy, and engineering category, we invite Dr. Artur Fedorov.
Dear participants, dear guests, dear organizers, as was said, we gathered here to summarize 5th International Conference. And I believe such platforms, it's a great place for the new integrations, future cooperations, and generating new ideas. And with, over these days, we see how you young and talented mind have presented your works, shared your discovery, and boldly discuss new ideas. We have seen how your research and development can be help in the future science and technology. And I will say about the organize and teachers and mentors. Your support is this work and organization of this conference will be grateful, and your work support and invaluable. Dear participants, don't stop, and let its conference only beginning for your great journeys in science and education. Don't keep striving for knowledge. And don't afraid about ask questions and find answers. Thank you all for your competition, and I wish you successful in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Best poster nomination diploma goes to Mihrat Faridi, Parsa Sajadi, Armin Tohidaso, Iran. Their project is Holonomic Mobile Hospital Trolley with metal wheels capable of tracking patients using image processing accompanied by a robotic arm.
Third degree diploma is awarded to Eymen Kaykusuz Rifat Chagan Özben, Turkey, Detection of Microplastics in Liquid by Polarization of Light Project.
Julie Jane Corin, Moya Woodward, South Africa, Borehole Hydroelectric Power Generation Project.
Ismail Toygar Koyun, Kerem Aykan Aytugan Furkan Aydın, Turkey, Piezoelectric Triboelectric Hybrid Generator Design and Energy Harvesting from the Wheel Project.
Second degree diploma goes to Padra Khazvinian, Ilya Rezadandeh, Iran, Facial Expression Recognition for Human Healthcare Systems.
Ismail Hassan, South Africa, Walkman, Visual Assistive Device.
And first degree diploma is awarded to Darya Yegorova, Russia, Effect of Bubbles on the Heat Transfer in Lead Pipes.
Elaborating a simple model of a centrifugal conduct, theoretical description of its performance.
Mihrat Faridi, Tarsus Sajadi, Arminto Hidasno, Iran, holonomic mobile hospital trolley with methanol wheels capable of taking patients using image processing accompanied by a robotic arm. Congratulations to the winners of physics, astronomy, and engineering category. To announce the winners of the first category, Life Sciences, Environmental Sciences, and Chemistry category, we would like to invite Chairman Dr. Vasily Pavlov, Director of the Sakha Junior Science Academy.
Hello. So we have many great projects. In fact, the life sciences is always very exciting, and we have more than 30 projects. It was very interesting and to judge and be experts. So I would like to thank especially my colleagues, Dr. Ivan Smirnov, and also Dr. Lena Lakaldobina for taking part as well. Thank you very much. Wonderful to find out that there are many interesting and very exciting projects being carried out by young minds here in Russia and abroad. Thanking all the participants from Iran, Indonesia, Italy. Thank you very much, and wishing you all the best for your future research and future careers. Thank you very much. So now we can proceed with the award ceremony.
Best poster diploma goes to Samira Samieva, Russia, Comparative Analysis of River Water Quality in the Nilpa district of the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia.
Third degree diploma is awarded to Saina Sivtseva, Russia, determination of the toxic effects of polylactide in vivo.
Mirza Akila Al-Rahman, Hajar Mubarak Al-Sirbani, Haidar Ali Pangestu, Pedro Daphne Satria Prakasa, Muhammad Rasadi A.N., Indonesia. Immunostimulate potential of mangrove rhizophora epithelial leaf extract against the non-specific immune response of the heart putin infected with bacteria Aremolis hydrophilia.
Polina Zagorovskaya, Russia. Assessment of the effect of computer vision syndrome on the volume of relative accommodation and the risk of occurrence progression of myopia in school children.
Yurgun Vasilyev, Russia. Study of the thermokarst formation dynamics using satellite images. Chirapcha District, Republic of Sakha, Yakutia.
Eleonora Coulou, Italy. Biosustainable, water-soluble, and antimicrobial film derived from citrus waste.
Amir Hussein Manafi, Iran. Synthesis and investigation of carbohydrate-based quantum dots using the hydrothermal method.
Kagan Sayoglu, Attila Gökoglu, Turkey. Development of magnetic nanoparticle added cryogel membrane materials for the removal of pharmaceutical waste.
Second degree diploma goes to Samira Samieva, Russia. Comparative analysis of river water quality in the Nilpa district of the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia.
Nirvana Dervishi, Alina Bahram, Sabah Halili Araghi, Syed Abdulrahman Ahmad, Amir Hussein Halaji, Iran. Production of skin patch using chitosan nanocellulose nanocomposites for investigation of its antibacterial properties.
Paris, Australia, Sudanus, Australianus, Turkey. Development of a nanobiotechnology-based control drug release system to increase therapeutic effect in neurological diseases.
And Bamba Naiminov, Russia, surfers with the static potential of myoglobins in different vertebrate species. First degree diploma is awarded to David Zorin, Russia, study of the ecological state of Temusikan Lake in the village of Santar district, using the Gaia indication method.
Senior Kanavina, Russia, effect of ethyl alcohol in low doses on the behavioral activity of daily area. Of the Social Sciences and Humanities category. Please welcome Dr. Anna Mikhailova, chairperson.
I would like to say thank you to everyone who is here for your participation in this event. It was really hard to choose in our section. We had 20 presentations in our section. And actually everyone is a winner who is here today because all of you are the best in your research investigations. Thank you very much for your participation. And here there are two experts, and I would like to invite to the stage our second expert, Irina Borisova, please.
Dear participants of Yakutia Science Fair, let me thank you, let me thank all the experts and organizers for this event. And as it was said before, this is the beginning of your victories in science. And we have listened very prominent projects, and we hope that in future you will become famous scientists. So thank you very much, and let us tell the awards.
We announce the winners of Social Sciences and Humanities category.
Best poster diploma goes to Valeria Tikhonova, Russia, teachers of the translation of the Yakutia into Russian on the example of the sun doesn't set over the field.
Third degree diploma is awarded to Vadim Dmitriev, Russia, ceramics from the Junior 1 side as part of an archaeological monument. Anna Burnashova, Russia, reflection of the rhetorical standards and sayings and proverbs of different peoples of the world. Aitalina Nikiforova, Russia, personal names of Yakuts, structure, semantics, and evolution.
Popova, Russia, adjectives in roll types, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And the second degree diploma goes to Isidora Vasilyeva, Russia, spacious urban cultural heritage site in the brochure.
Karina Krivashapkina, Russia, electronic textbook author. I am journey into the world of reading for the students of primary school.
Малика Альмира Сядза Магдия, Альмира Айна Размахани, Антония Сачева Василия, Зальфа Ауля Набила, Райхана Хана Мандани, Агasta Нурновиан Рамвати, Lakesha Putri Ramandati, Indonesia, Anatomia and Innovation of Board Game-Based Learning Media with Augmented Reality Technology to boost student scientific literacy.
And first degree diploma is awarded to Kirill Zhirkov, Russia. The Sandalinsky sword, a unique Bronze Age artifact from the Nemyakongradski district.
And Artur Yakovlev, Russia, mythological motifs in Albert Camus and Fyodor Dostoevsky works. To our distinguished guests from Moscow and Yekaterinburg in this conference. We are pleased to invite them to the stage to give our gifts as a symbol of our profound appreciation. Please welcome Daria Karionova, Daria Yegorova, and Timofey Semenichin, Specialized Educational and Scientific Center, Ural Federal University.
Bambana Elena, Advanced Educational and Scientific Center, Kolmogorov Boarding School, Lomonosov, Moscow State University. Please welcome Aysen Zhirkov, Director at Arctic Innovation Center, Maxim Amosov, Northeastern Federal University.
Дорогие участники, научные исследователи, многоуважаемые товарищи эксперты, организаторы, разрешите, во-первых, поблагодарить за то, что пригласили на столь торжественное завершение такой прекрасной международной конференции, где приняли участие, активное участие научные исследователи, юные научные исследователи со многих регионов, городов нашей большой необъятной Российской Федерации, а также со многих стран-участниц нашего большого всего мира. И хочется всем вам пожелать продолжить такой.
Dear participants of the very distinguished international event, dear highly esteemed experts, and I want to greet you on behalf of the Northeastern Federal University Arctic Research Center, and I hope that your participation will be good experience for you all, and in the future you will be good researchers.
Хочется всем вам пожелать продолжить такой же яркий путь исследователя. И мы очень все в вас верим и очень надеемся, что обязательно вы всегда по жизни будете добиваться больших, хороших успехов с помощью таких ярких международных конференций. И очень отрадно, что такая наша конференция проводится у нас на родине, в республике Саха, Якутия, в стенах Малой Академии наук. И личная тоже благодарность за такую организацию Василию Климовичу, ректору Малой Академии наук республики Саха, Якутия. Всем удачи, здоровья и счастья!
I wish you all good luck, good health and success, and I hope that participation in such very difficult, very high-level international event, such as an international conference, will be a good step for your research in the future. And I want especially tell our sincere thanks to the rector of Sakha Science Academy, Dr. Pavlov, and his team. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
According to the conference rules, school teams competed for the absolute Grand Prix. It is time to announce the winners of the Grand Cup of the 5th Yakutia International Science Fair.
To present the Grand Cup of the 5th Yakutia International Science Fair, we invite Aysen Zhirkov, Director of the Arctic Innovation Center, Northeastern Federal University, and Dr. Vasily Pavlov, Rector, Sakha Junior Science Academy. The Grand Cup is awarded to the team of House of Science Collaboration, Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Participants of Yakutia International Science Fair to congratulate you and to present a musical performance.
Congratulations to our winners! We sincerely thank everyone for participating in our event. We wish you success in your research and to reach new heights and make groundbreaking discoveries. See you!